this is an informational road test, so I'm going to be making comments throughout the test.
Okay.
You're going to be making left turns and right turns, parallel parking,
Yep.
and a 3-point turn, which is the same as a broken U-turn or a K-turn, okay?
Yeah.
All right, when it's safe, you can pull into the driving lane and go straight.
Go straight, okay.
Yes, sir. Good. You're going to make a right turn?
Right turn.
Yes, sir. Okay, you're going to make a left turn?
Left turn.
Yes, sir. Good. Right turn?
Right turn.
Yes, sir. Okay, you're going to parallel park up ahead, okay?
On this white car?
Yeah, pull next to the white car on the right and parallel park. Okay, whenever you pull over parking, you don't want to look on the left side, you want to look on the right side.
Okay.
Yeah, look, pull up all the way. Okay, you want to look in the right side view mirror?
Yep.
And then turn your head like this to the right, over your right shoulder, check your blind spot. You want to make sure there's no bicycles, scooters, pedestrians. Okay? All right. All right, when it's safe, you can park. Okay, very good. All right, good. When it's safe, pull back into the driving lane and go straight.
All right, back up a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Good. Okay, all the way down to the end of the block.
Okay.
Down towards the end of the block, we're going to make a 3-point turn, okay?
3-point turn?
Yep.
All right.
I'll tell you when. Just go straight ahead. Okay, as soon as you pass this gray car right here, slow down, pull over to the curb, and stop. Good observation. Pull in. Straighten out and stop. Good. All right, when it's safe, you're going to make a 3-point turn, okay? Good. Very good. Straight ahead. You're going to make a right turn.
Right turn.
Yes, sir. Okay, you're going to make a left turn.
Left turn. So,
Very good. Straight ahead. Good observation. Very good, sir. You're gonna make a right turn? Mm-hmm. Okay, you're gonna make a left turn. Yes. Good. Good job. Okay, you're gonna go straight up, pull over by the garbage can on the right. Go up more. Pull up more. Yep. Okay, put the car on park. Turn the engine off. Put your hazard lights on. Tonight after 6 o'clock, you're gonna go onto this website and you're gonna get the results and report on this.
okay. Yep. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Have a nice weekend.
Thanks, you too.
Thank you.